Hey sis, welcome back to Sister. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my lock using Dollar Tree products. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. My locks are freshly washed. It was time for me to wash them again. What I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair is this Butcher Boy 100% Pure Refined Coconut Oil, the Lusty's Argan Oil Curl Wave and Twist Gel. So what I usually do is just take the coconut oil. If you don't know about coconut oil, it's a solid, and then as soon as it gets the heat of your hand to warm it up, it turns into a liquid oil. So I just do that, and then I just run it through my hair just to moisturize my locks. I don't like dry locks. I'm adding something new to my routine. This is new for me. I've never used this. So we have some pipe cleaners from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is I curl it. I'm over it being straight right now, so I want to add a little pizzazz to my hair. And I'm going to use the pipe cleaners to do that. I picked up 2 packs of these pipe cleaners. It comes with 45 in the pack. I have not counted my locks, so I don't know how many I have, so I just got 2. I have already twisted up some of my pipe cleaners. What my plan is to retwist my locks and install the pipe cleaners at the same time. So what I'm going to do is take my gel that I got and add that to the new growth I have at the top of my lock. Twist that around my finger. This is what I do every time I go in to retwist my locks. I'm going to twist the pipe cleaners, my hair around the pipe cleaners. So when you get to the end, you just take whatever is left to the pipe cleaner and fold it down, and that will hold the root of my locks and my little twist at the same time. I'll show you again how I do that. And then maybe I should show how I actually twisted the pipe cleaners, because they, of course, don't come like this. You have to twist them yourself. So I take that much of the gel and then I add it to the root of my hair and twist it around my finger until it starts to have some tension up at the root. Gets a bit tight. You'll know when it's tight. And then I'm going to take another of my pipe cleaner and I'm going to take my ends and wrap that around my pipe cleaner and then roll up the pipe cleaner with my lock. And you want it to be a little bit tight because we want some tight curls. And then take my pipe cleaner, fold it down again, tighten it, and there we go. Here's the pipe cleaner. So I'm going to show you how I make my little twist. So I bend it so it has both ends, and then I wrap the ends around itself, tighten it around itself like that, just twisting it around. And then I'm going to do that all the way up the pipe cleaner. At both ends, I'm twisting together all the way up. And then I'm going to twist it. Now I'm going to leave a little hole at the top. That's how I get my pipe cleaner. Well, that's how I see it done. Hopefully this works. I mean, I know it's gonna work. It's on freshly washed hair and it's wet, so when it dries overnight, it'll dry in the curl. I'm hoping, and I hope it looks good. So I'm going to finish my heads and then I'll come back and let you see what everything looks like. So I have all of the pipe cleaners in. I used all but 2, which means I have 82 locks on my head. Oh, it took me a while, but I got it all done. So I'm gonna sleep on these tonight. I will be back in the morning to do my takedown. I'll see you guys in the morning. So it's in the morning, so I'm going to take out my pipe cleaner. Here is my hair. I have all of my pipe cleaners out. Yeah, I think it's cute and it's fun and sassy for the summertime. I think this is gonna be my go-to style for the summer. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll play with it a little bit more. I think I want to do some head wrap or scarf style with this hairstyle. So if you like that idea, please leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see a video with me styling this with head scarf. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in our next video.